When the quantum display reports 01 error and the wire connection has nothing wrong, but it still shows 01 error when you turn on the throttle, which means your display is broken. When the display reports 03 error, please check if there is something wrong with the connector between the motor and the controller, if it's a waterproof connector. Or please check if the wire sequence of the connector is correct, if it is an SM connector. If there is no problem with the wire connection, that means the motor hull board is broken. When the display reports 06 error, you need to check if the motor can run normally. If not, unplug the motor and the controller and push your e-bike. If the motor can run normally, that means the controller is broken. If the motor cannot, that means the motor is broken.